We have an unboxing today. This package here is from Nigby. Nigby's channel is an awesome channel. Has a lot of lever lock type of stuff on there. Also lever lock pig making. And so I wanted to start out in lever locks. I have this one here. I really don't know too much about these. And so I figured, hey, let's start out with some tools that are good and that are built right. Because, right, I could, bend some nails, screw some stuff. I live in an apartment. I don't have the tools. I don't have the time for that. And I don't know what I'm doing too well. So it'd just be easier to just buy the tools and have a good example of what's good. Then, once I figure out what's good, then I can go into the realm of trying to make my own tools. But this will help me be successful up front, learn how lever lock picking works, and then I'll understand it better to make tools better. So let's check this out. Let's open it up. Just got it in the mail. Great packaging. Definitely you could throw this off a bridge and it would be safe. I love it. There we are. Excellent. So this is my initial thoughts. Just kind of starting out. Don't know too much about lever locks. Again, want to get some good tools, see what's good, get successful in cracking some lever locks, and then go into the realm of making my own. So nice little case, hardcover. Love it. Looks like you just put some tissue to kind of keep stuff safe. Excellent wrapping, love it. So I'll open everything first. Fancy, fancy, looking nice. There's the wires. There's the little holder. So this came from overseas. Let's see, this is from United Kingdom, so UK. Awesome. Let's get a little zoom. And we'll start off with this. So this little bad boy he made. And what you do is you got the two different pick wires here. Different lengths and thicknesses. So that's cool. Trying to line these up. As you can see, different lengths. Different lengths. So it looks like 4 different lengths because the end, so that's cool. Polished, there's one side that's flat. So that's awesome. Then what you'll do is put this in here. Put this thing right here. It's kind of hard to do this with a camera in my face. It's blocking my view. But you'll put that in there. Holds it snug. Bam, look at that. We got our tensioner. That's awesome. Really cool, really cool. And it's nice and tight in there. Love it. And then there's like some type of like texture, so it's not slippery. So that's cool. Okay, so we'll put these to the side. Then we have our tension wrenches. Looks like 3 different links. So these are definitely nice, man. They're polished, shiny. The soldering's like super impressive. Oh my goodness. Soldering's like really good. Jeez. Beautiful. Super cool. And then another type of tension wrench. Again, I don't know too much about lever locks, but this is for the one that has a post in it. And it allows you to tension that. So we cut down a key, polished it out. This slides so it can be super ergonomic. It's got 2 ends. This is legit, dude. I'm loving this. Super nice. Oh wow, that's so cool. Fits well, look at that. That's awesome. Tensioning it. I don't want to embarrass myself and do a live pick, so I'm gonna save another video for that, but I can actually feel it tensioning where it needs to tension, because I was trying to do this myself with 2 wires I bent and, you know, put them in there and was finagling around. It was a nightmare. I was like, I need to get some tools for this because I don't know what I'm doing. Let's just make it easy on myself. So super fantastic. So again, Nigby, that's the dude's channel. That's his username, and I'm gonna leave a description, his channel in my description, and you guys can check him out. He's got some cool custom tools, and just you can contact him on Facebook. That's how I contacted him. It's the same name as his YouTube. And yeah, guys, that's it. Have a good one.